Did you find an opportunity you were interested in? After navigating to find opportunities and selecting a promising contract or grant, you can click the Mark as Interested button right at the top of the screen. This action will move the opportunities under Analyze Opportunities. From there, you can assemble your team, fill gaps with automated partner recommendations, and upload proposals and solicitation documents. Finally, access the AI chat tabs to analyze and make the right go, no-go decision for you and your team. So check out summary, questions, instructions, evaluation criteria, and response outline so you fully understand what you're about to bid on. Stop at any time if it doesn't feel right, or mark it as go and pursue for your team. When you finally made that decision for the opportunity, click the Go button to actively pursue it or No Go to remove it from your pipeline.